Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Tiffany, your local realtor with homesofdaytonabeach.com, and I'm really excited to show you today's featured listing. We're going to be heading down to Venetian Bay in New Smyrna Beach to take a look at one of Location Real Estate's condo listings located in Tuscany Square. I'm going to be showing you guys around the condo and telling you all about the building and area amenities. So if you're ready, let's get started. Hey there, and welcome to our tour of Unit 413 in Tuscany Square. As we enter the home, you're going to notice this beautiful open floor plan. This condo is a 3-bedroom, 3 full bath condo with a 2-car garage and over 2,000 square feet of living space. In the kitchen, you're going to have these stunning white uppers and lowers that really complement the stylish backsplash and granite countertops that run all the way through the kitchen. The stainless steel appliances in this kitchen have recently been updated. You're going to have beautiful pendant lighting here right over the bar area, and you can tell how nice and open everything is, so while you're in here cooking, you can be entertaining your guests as well. Now let's talk a little bit about the building itself. As I said, this condo is located in the condominium of Tuscany Square. If you are looking to live in this full-time, this is going to be perfect for you. This building is essentially no maintenance. You're going to get with your HOA, building insurance, cable, maintenance of your common areas, exterior paint maintenance, pest control, sewer, trash, water, and internet, and best of all, it is in a gated community. However, if you are looking to use this condo for some passive income, you can certainly do that here. It's particularly going to be good for renting to snowbirds because they do have a 3-month minimum rental policy here. Pets are also allowed here in Tuscany Square. There are some restrictions on size, weight, and breed though. As I said before, this particular unit does have a deeded 2-car garage, while some other units in this building are going to have a 1-car garage. Tuscany Square does also offer laundry in your unit, so you don't have to share a washer and dryer with anyone else or make any unnecessary trips to the laundromat. One thing that I really love about this unit and the condominium building as a whole is its location within the community of Venetian Bay. You're going to be right in the heart of the Venetian Bay community. You're just steps away from the swim club and tiki bar that you will have the option to join when you live in this condominium. You're also going to be close to the town center where you will have access to a gym, a church, there's a couple of different restaurants, a convenience store, a day spa, and a whole lot more. And if you like to live an active lifestyle, you'll be happy to know that there is a golf course here that's available to the public that you can utilize. They also have a restaurant and clubhouse, and there are miles and miles of paved walking and biking trails so you can get your exercise in on a daily basis. Now we're going to head outside so I can show you guys this amazing view. You are going to have a covered balcony out here with plenty of room for seating so you can enjoy this gorgeous lake view. You can really see yourself out here enjoying a cup of coffee or maybe having a meal al fresco. This is such a stunning condo, and if you would like the most up-to-date information and pricing on this unit, make sure to check out the link in the description below. What's not to love about this condo? A beautiful lake view, a 2-car garage, 3 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, tons of living space, a maintenance-free lifestyle, and just steps away from everything that's happening in Venetian Bay. Sign me up. If you want to learn more about this unit or any other unit that's available in Tuscany Square, just visit the link in the description below. If you're ready to get out there and start looking at properties, make sure to visit me online at homesofdaytonabeach.com. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.